Hello friends, welcome to Audiobook Daily. Today we'll talk about The 4% Fix by Karma Brown, published in 2020. At 11:48 p.m., Ria sat alone on her sofa, laptop open, eyelids heavy. Her to-do list was unfinished. Her goals untouched. Her dreams postponed again. She whispered the sentence she'd been repeating for years. I'll start when life gets less busy. But life never did. Every day was the same. Wake up tired, rush through work, take care of the house, attend to others, collapse into bed, promising herself tomorrow would be different. But tomorrow always became another yesterday. One day, while waiting at a cafe, scrolling aimlessly, she found a book review titled, The 4% Fix, 1 hour can change everything. 1 hour? One morning? One tiny shift? She clicked. And as she read, something inside her awakened. The 4% Fix by Karma Brown begins with a powerful idea. Your life won't change by adding more time. It will change when you reclaim the time you already have. And you only need 4% of your day. Just 1 hour to transform everything. 1. Why mornings matter more than you think. The book focuses on using the early morning hours, the quiet, undisturbed time when your mind is fresh and free from demands. Why? Because when you start your day intentionally, you stop living in reaction mode. Morning hours give you fewer distractions, higher concentration, more clarity, emotional calm, increased creativity. The world is quiet, and for once, you can hear your own thoughts. 2. The myth of I don't have time. Karma Brown dismantles the biggest lie we tell ourselves. I'm too busy. In reality, most people lose hours to scrolling, unplanned tasks, reacting to others, procrastination, mental fatigue, unnecessary commitments. When you reclaim the first hour of your day, everything that follows becomes easier and more structured. The book teaches that you don't need more hours. You need better ownership of the ones you have. 3. The 1 hour ritual, your 4% fix. The heart of the book is the 4% fix routine. Wake up 1 hour earlier than usual and use that hour only for something that matters deeply to you. This could be writing a book, exercising, learning a new skill, starting a business, meditating, working on a passion project, reading, planning your life. Not work, not chores, not checking emails. Something for you. This creates a domino effect of productivity and clarity throughout the day. 4. Building the habit without burning out. Karma Brown explains that waking up earlier is not about willpower. It's about strategy. She gives actionable steps. Sleep earlier, don't just wake earlier. You can't pour from an empty tank. Plan your morning the night before. Decide exactly what you will do in your 4% hour. Make the start easy. Set clothes out. Prepare materials. Minimize friction. Start with 10 minutes. If an hour feels overwhelming, start small and expand. Celebrate tiny wins. Consistency matters more than intensity. This approach makes early rising not only possible but enjoyable. 5. Stop multitasking, start focused doing. The 4% hour is sacred. Brown emphasizes, protect it fiercely. No multitasking. No social media. No notifications. No reacting. This is your golden hour, a mindset space where you think, create, and grow. This is the hour where dreams are built. 6. Purpose is more important than productivity. Unlike other productivity books, the 4% Fix is not about doing more. It's about doing what actually matters. Ask yourself, what goal have I ignored for too long? What dream keeps calling me back? What would my ideal morning feel like? This book reconnects you to your purpose, the version of you that existed before life became chaotic. 7. The power of momentum. When you spend your first hour on something meaningful, you begin each day with a win. This leads to better choices, better energy, better confidence, clearer priorities, improved self-respect. You no longer feel behind, you feel ahead. That momentum spills into the rest of your day like sunlight through a window. The next morning, Ria woke up at 6 a.m. It felt impossible. But she reminded herself, it's only 1 hour. She made tea, opened her journal, and began writing, just for herself. That 1 hour turned into a habit. That habit turned into progress. That progress turned into a renewed identity. 3 months later, she had already accomplished more toward her dream than she had in 3 years. Her confidence grew. Her energy improved. Her life felt meaningful again. Ria realized something powerful. Changing your life doesn't require more time. It requires choosing yourself for 1 hour a day. Because sometimes, the biggest transformation comes from the smallest shift. The shift of just 4%. Thank you for listening. See you in next audiobook daily.